If you want to add a fingerprint on OnePlus 15, then first of all we need to go to settings. In here, scroll down and find security and privacy, and then you should be able to go to device unlock. To be able to add a fingerprint, we need to have screen lock password, but once you have this screen lock password, we can proceed, and then you can choose fingerprint. Now in my case, well, after you enter the screen lock password, in my case I already have fingerprint settings because I have set up the fingerprint, but in your case it looks like this, and we can press add fingerprint in order to then position our finger that we wanted to scan and use to unlock our phone over here on the sensor. So touch and hold it, and then we can keep moving our position slowly around, as you can see on the screen. Of course, if needed, you can lift your finger and then place it again. You shouldn't have any issues with scanning your finger. And there we go, it is quick to set up the fingerprint. Of course, after that you want to tap on done. You can also add another fingerprint in case you wanted to do that. But that is pretty much it. You might also see a recommendation to set up a face unlock, so if you want to, you can do that. You can scan your face data. If not, then we can tap on cancel. And that is pretty much it. Now you should be able to unlock your phone with your finger. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.